Hi, I'm Naqueen Zaire, and welcome to this site. If you landed here, then that means that you are in the same situation that I once was in, and that is searching the internet, trying to figure out how I can explode my MLM business and make more money. And what I want to tell you is that you have come to the right place, because here we are going to introduce to you a system that shows you step by step how to get people coming to you. No longer will you have to invite your friends and family, bothering them, and they hate to see your phone call coming because they think that you're going to hit them with another MLM business opportunity that they're just not interested in. No longer will you have to do that. That was the old way, and the way that really didn't work for many people. 97% of the MLM networkers failed because they was trying this old school marketing way, and it just doesn't work. So now we have this three-step system that shows you step by step how to get your business funnel going and how to get people coming to you. And it also shows you how you can even get paid even if they don't join your primary business. So if you are really serious about exploding your business and taking it to a new level, then put your name, your email, and your phone number. The phone number is optional, but I really request that you please put it, because then it shows me that you're serious. And I am going to call you. You know, I want to call you and I want to find out where you are with your business and is it working for you and what we need to do so that you can enhance it. Because I'm sure, you know, you have your upline, but a lot of times your upline can't really teach you how to market because they don't know. So I want to call you and I want to see that you're really serious. You know, putting your number is really telling me that you're serious. And I only want to work with serious people anyway, because I don't want to waste my time as well as yours. So again, if you are really, really ready to explode your income and get more distributors and more prospects and more leads than you can probably handle, then put your name, your email, and your phone number, and I'll see you on the next side.